KULR fans are getting charged up again after it reported a remarkable Q2 2025 earnings result, showcasing a notable turnaround with a first-ever quarterly profit. The company achieved an earnings per share of 22 cents, significantly surpassing the forecast of a 2 cents loss. Revenue reached $4 million, exceeding expectations by 14.29% and representing a 63% year-over-year increase. According to some of the most bullish analysts, sales growth could reach 82% for the full year 2025. KULR has shifted focus towards product development, reflected in the substantial increase in product revenue. Despite a decline in service revenue, the company's strategic pivot appears to be paying off. The gross margin for the quarter was 18%. The company maintains a healthy current ratio of 9.19, with more cash than debt on its balance sheet. Looking ahead, KULR aims to achieve $20 million in annual revenue for 2025, effectively doubling its revenue compared to 2024. CEO Michael Mo emphasized the company's direction, treating Bitcoin as a pillar of strategy, identity, and financial foundation. After all, KULR recently expanded its Bitcoin holdings, acquiring approximately $10 million worth of Bitcoin. This brings the company's total Bitcoin holdings to 1,021 BTC, valued at around $101 million. The purchase was made at a weighted average price of $108,884 per Bitcoin, including fees and expenses. This acquisition aligns with KULR's Bitcoin treasury strategy announced in December 2024. The strategy commits up to 90% of the company's surplus cash reserves to Bitcoin purchases. KULR uses BTC yield as a key performance indicator for its Bitcoin acquisition strategy. The company reported a year-to-date BTC yield of 291.2%, which measures the percentage change in the ratio of Bitcoin holdings to assumed fully diluted shares outstanding. Bitcoin purchases were funded through surplus cash, a Coinbase credit facility, and an at-the-market equity program. The company's financial metrics show a BTC gain of 633 Bitcoin and a BTC dollar gain of $70.3 million for the year. But remember, KULR still operates as an energy storage solutions provider for space, aerospace, and defense sectors. The company began including Bitcoin as a primary treasury asset in late 2024. KULR cautions that BTC yield should not be interpreted as a measure of operating performance, financial return, or liquidity. The company's stock price is influenced by factors beyond Bitcoin holdings. Risks go beyond fluctuation in BTC price, extending to market volatility impacting stock performance, decline in service revenue, supply chain issues, macroeconomic pressures, and intense competition in the battery and exoskeleton markets. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.